Hello everyone. Now today we started the next session of the crash course. That is human reproduction, most important questions, and also it is a most expected question for the NEET 2021, and this is also a previous year questions. So from now started. सबसे बेहतर बनने के लिए आपको सबसे खराब से खराब स्थिति से लड़ना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गेटेड स्टार्टेड. Question 56. The growth of corpus luteum is initiated by human chorionic gonadotropins, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and prolactin. So, what is the basically thing? So, the growth of the corpus luteum is initiated by. Tell me, student. Yes, you know this is due to luteinizing hormone, LH. Okay. So basically, LH hormone causes the ovulation. Okay. So the remain cells of the ovarian follicle are stimulated by LH to develop corpus luteum. Okay. So now we restarted the new session. Question 57. In the 28th days of the human ovarian cycles, ovulation occurs on. Tell me, ovulation occurs on? You know, this very simple question. 14th day. Okay. So the student here, basically the 28th day of the human ovarian cycle is called the menstrual cycles. On the 14th day of the mature ovarian follicle leaves ovary and comes into the fallopian tubes. Okay. Okay, students, now go to the 58 number question. So basically fertilization are emitted by immature eggs, mature eggs, sperms and polar body. Tell me. So the fertilization is emitted by mature eggs. Okay, by the mature eggs. Because why? So whenever a glycoprotein, that is a fertile composed of monosaccharide, yes, and amino acid, basically it is secreted by the mature egg also. So the penetrating sperms also has some proteinaceous substance on the surface called the antifertilizing. Okay, so that was the reason we can fertilization emitted by the fertilized egg. So that's why the things. Now to go to the question 59. Okay. Okay. So the estrous cycle of the characteristics of, tell me, human males only, human female only, mammalian males of the other than primate, and mammalian female other than primate. So tell me, estrous cycle is the characteristics of what? It is the characteristics of basically mammalian female other than primate. Yes. So basically what is happening here, so estrous cycle is the characteristics of mammalian female other than the primate. So it is due to the estrogen hormone. Okay student, it is due to estrogen hormone. Estrous cycle is a period during which ovulation occur and female primate are with male. Okay. So the student, we go to the question 59. So it is basically nothing but, we have to go to question 60. Extraction of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs after entry of sperm before the completion of the fertilization. After completion of fertilization, before entry of sperms, without any relation of the sperm entry. So basically what is happening here, so whenever we are starting, the extraction of second polar body from the egg nucleus occurs in the entry of sperms. Okay, after entry of sperms before completion of fertilization. So the student, basically here happening, what the reason behind that, so I will discuss here. So the entry of a sperm stimulates the secondary oocyte to resume and complete the suspended meiosis too. So this was produce a haploid mature ovum and a second polar body. Okay, so the second polar body or the sperm cell immediately degenerate. Yes, a sperm cell immediately degenerated, get out from the part of the sperms. Okay, so that's what the things. So go to the question 61. Okay, so freshly related human egg has freshly related not released human egg has, because basically what they have, so basically they have what, yes, one X chromosome. As you know, the chromosome having XX for the female and XY for the male. So you have studied very early in 10th class, so very easy it is. So now go to the question 62. So as usual for the explanations here, human female has XX chromosome. When the egg form, each egg carries two, I think 22 autosome and one X chromosome. Yes, in human males, each sperm carries 22 autosomes and either X and Y chromosome. So these were the things. Now go to the question 62. So sperm and egg nucleus fuse due to base pairing of their DNA and RNA, formation of hydrogen bonds, mutual attractions and attractions of their protoplasts. Okay, so this is the things. So tell me, students, a sperm and egg nucleus fuse due to, what is the reason behind that? So it is the reason behind the attraction of their protoplast. Yes, this is a part of our what, sperms and eggs. Okay, then they get fused and becomes a protoplast like that. So basically here, a sperms or male gamete fuse with the egg or female gamete becomes of the end attractions of their protoplast. Yes, I can explain it very easily. So some chemicals are secreted by ovule or egg wall to attract the male gamete of the sperms. So that was the reason behind that. A sperm and egg fuse due to attraction. They are attracted to each other and becomes their own protoplast. So that was the thing. Now to this next question here, which is the topics here. Human eggs are lactical, macrolithial and mesolithial and macrolithial. Tell me, student, what is happening here? So basically an egg of the four type regarding the amount of the yolk present in the them. Okay, so basically here alethioal was the human eggs are. So that was the thing. Yes, I explained it very easily. So because alethioal eggs almost free of yolk, that is, so example of it is the most mammal like men are electrical egg. Okay, so that was the thing. So or macrolithial eggs very small amount of yolk. What is the example of it? Yet you know? Yes, I can. So branchioles was the some things. So student, you are know this very easily. The human eggs are basically alethioal. Okay, so I maybe spelling mistakes, sorry, pronunciation. Now go to the 64. Egg is liberated from ovary in second oocyte stage, primary oocyte stage, oogonal stage and the mature ovum stage. So egg is liberated from ovary in, tell me. So basically here we know very easily. So egg is liberated from on ovary to the secondary oocyte stage. So student, basically here egg is liberated from the ovary, that is ovulation at the secondary oocyte, you know very easily stage. Okay, so when the meiosis second is arrested in secondary oocyte, it will be induced by the sperm. Okay, student, so the best option is here to the questions this secondary oocyte, and get to stop this lecture here. So student, always remember one thing, if you became a NEET topper, you have to take the help from the topper. Okay, so that was the things. Let's stop.